deer meat, eggs, and green peppers. He's gonna love it. It's time to clean the grill. Take a rag and mess around. Okay, take it.
Okay, we're adding the shrimp. I'm going to thaw it out a little bit and put some butter in it. Yeah. Got the lube on. You want to go ahead and do this? Just let all that liquid
Should we turn down?
water. I wish it'll wash it a little more. Look at all
I've been froze.
yeah, these are froze,
These are frozen.
so they will thaw out a little bit, and then I'll add some butter. Let's put some butter over here. 2 tablespoons.
We're gonna turn the heat back up. Get these babies cooking. Good. By the way, this is my first time doing this, so we're hoping I don't ruin the Grace's good shrimp. But I got the master chef close by so she can watch me. No, we can probably go ahead and put onions on there. It seems like it's not cooking as fast as I thought.
It's nice and thawed out already. That's pretty quick. You gonna turn it back up again?
It's up. It's all the way up.
Okay. Well, I want it oil. I already need butter.
You just put oil on there.
Yeah, on the rice. Yeah, soy and yum yum. You put both of it.
Come on, we gotta hurry.
Hey, you don't need to put all the rice in there.
We gotta
Okay,
hurry.
but still need to hurry.
It's raining.
You can use this. Put the old.
What is that? You're really recording.
He's one getting married.
Pray for me.
Pray for him. He said pray.
We do.
He
Smack
said
her right there.
pray
We do
for
pray
him.
for you. You want
Give me
this
2 big
on?
globs, yeah.
He's moving to Tennessee.
That's what it means. Soy free. Yum Yum is from Primal Kitchen. It's made with avocado oil for steak, chicken, and shrimp. Ooh. That's cool. And then this is pink Himalayan salt. I put the crayon, I don't know. Right? Yikes. Please let us know. Okay, if you guys have any extra input on the way we're cooking or what we can add to it or take away, please let us know.
Mom, I need something to put this on. More yum yum and more salt. Put more salt in it too.
Well,
Yeah.
soy sauce usually has a lot of salt, but I don't think this has. It's organic coconut.
Well, they also put eggs in it too. You got an egg?
I'm not really good with how they do that with one hand. You try it.
I can't
I'm
do
glad it's not downpouring.
it.
You did it. Oh, there you did it. We're not eating
Here.
shells. Maybe we should do like a close-up. Close. Oops. Sorry. Didn't know we had a chef. Ow! That stuff over there burning.
Don't need to burn all that.
Now the cleanup. Nice. Good job.